Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are a user of OneDrive, or if you're planning to maybe use it in the future, one of the things that is coming up, Microsoft has confirmed. There were rumors because some people had seen some files and some event possibility. Now we know it is something coming up. OneDrive Event, which is kind of interesting because when you think about it, it's like, what a OneDrive event? What's a OneDrive event? It seems that the future of file management is here. This is what they're saying. In October 3rd at 1 p.m. Eastern, we will be seeing new ways and new things about OneDrive that apparently weren't there before. And we know that there's a big possibility that all of that will be managed with artificial intelligence. So this is going to be interesting. I am a big user of my OneDrive folder. Got 1 terabyte because of my Office 365. So what will this future and this AI bring? That's going to be kind of an interesting thing. I know a lot of people don't like to use cloud storage. They're afraid of, having their personal files up there in the cloud. One thing I note about OneDrive is that it is actually invisible to the Microsoft employees and the Microsoft itself. It is a encrypted big file. So when somebody checks a user file, all he sees is a big blob that has nothing in it, because it is an encryption or an encrypted folder with all of the details that only the user has access. But unfortunately, a lot of people have a hard time with that and think that it's not true and so on. But whatever you believe, I know for a fact that it is invisible to everyone up there. But cloud storage is fun. I like it. I personally use it a lot because of my Office 365. The fact that everything can be accessed on every device. I can go into my File Explorer on any PC, on my phone, on my tablet, whatever device I use, and show people old pictures or documents that I would need that might be 10, 15 years old that are online. And I do find practical that everything is backed up automatically, including my latest pictures. I don't even have to think about, saving pictures anywhere else for a backup. They're already done in a backup. So I already have more than one copy thanks to the OneDrive backup system. So this is kind of cool, but it is obvious that the basic OneDrive is a little small, but once you have the opportunity to be in a subscription like I am, it is kind of cool. So it's going to be interesting to see. I can't wait to see what they're going to add to that and what AI, artificial intelligence, will bring to the OneDrive folders. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.